Okay, here we are, February 1st, 2021, at 6 a.m. in the morning. I dread opening this door, folks. Dread it. Because you know what winter is? Crap. Do I dare open the door? There it is. Oh, of course. We got through January nice and safe, right? Didn't have to worry about any real snowstorm. As a matter of fact, in January it was so warm that was unseasonably so when you didn't have to wear gloves or anything. Just had the news report on. You know what they said? Up to a foot of snow expected in the next several hours. So this is only the beginning, folks. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're going to have a lot of this crap. Oh, doesn't it look pretty? Yeah, it looks pretty. But just like little children, snow should be seen and not heard. What I mean by heard is when you get out there and you're going to slip, break your neck, risk damaging your crown, trying to get out, not able to drive. Yeah. Get ready to go to work, everybody. If you can even make it into work, get that garbage off the back of your trunk.
Oh, isn't that just beautiful?
Oh, yeah. Down in the laundry room. Make sure you don't have to wash any clothes or anything. Take out an insurance policy just to try. Okay, here we are. 4 hours later, and there's no damn let up. Not at all. Now, here we go. Here's where we're at now, 4 hours into this nonsense. And another 8 hours or so predicted to come. Tomorrow's going to be a blast, too. Nothing but supposedly rain, sleet, and snow tomorrow on top of this, whatever we're going to get. This sucks. Yeah, look at the back door. I was thinking about going down and do some laundry. I guess that's not happening unless I want to sever my spine. Oh, it's so beautiful. Isn't it so pretty? Oh, it's gorgeous. It's like a little postcard. Postcard from hell! And yet, there are actually people who prefer this to the summertime. What kind of asylum did you escape from? Come on, join me for a few bars in the good old summertime. In the good old summertime.
The good old summertime.
God, what a mess. Get out of here with this. Disgraceful. And what are you laughing at? You think it's funny? Wipe that smile off your face before I wipe it off for you.